at this channel right here having from 4 million to 37 million, 21 million, 18 million views. You know they are making up to $3,000 to $6,000 per month with these kinds of super simple videos. Hello ladies and gentlemen, I hope you all are okay. If you were stuck just because you don't have enough investment or high-end editing skills to start a 𝐭𝐤𝐡 YouTube channel, then this video is exactly for you. I'm gonna show you the best example channels that are doing the same thing plus the simple and exact strategies so you can start too. And I'm going to show you how you can make these kind of videos in just few minutes. And last but not the least, I will show you the free platforms from where you can get the free content for your videos. Alright, so before moving ahead, if you haven't joined my Facebook group, so do now. If you have any issues with starting YouTube channel or stuck on where to find the affordable 𝐭𝐤𝐡 team, then you are at the right place. Just join my Facebook group and post your query there. I'll see you inside. Anyway, let's get straight into the video. So here's the first example channel that is working on the same niche. Data is beautiful, and many other channels are making videos like these and getting tons of views. See right here, when we scroll a little bit down and analyze the potential of the view, so here you can see this channel is getting 37 million views on his videos that have gone viral. Its most popular websites 1996 to 2019. Same here, 21 million, 18 million, 16 million, and again 15 million views, and a lot more videos with millions of views. Now if you look clearly, this channel Data is Beautiful has around 1.4 million subscribers, and what they are doing is making these simple statistics videos. Now this is what I'm gonna show you later, how you are going to make these kinds of videos without even sitting behind the camera, and many other channels that are making these super easy videos in just a minute. Well, if you look here, it's not just about the websites, but there is a lot more content. For example, most popular mobile brands, most popular Android games, best selling computer brands, and most popular superheroes. It's like the whole changing things between the two specific years or decades. Whatever you wanna show, as with the passage of time, some things get more focused and famous than others, so the graph keeps changing accordingly. So there are thousands of other subjects that you can take to make your videos. Well, if you think that this can be the one case, or maybe you don't get satisfied with how we would work like this, here is the �W𝐨𝐽𝐺𝐫, which is another amazing example channel. This channel is also making data videos. Here is its most viral videos, top 20 countries GDP, and it has over 7 million views. More videos like top 10 most popular city ranking history. Here is another about coronavirus, top 10 countries by total coronavirus infections. Well, this channel states has 356,000 subscribers right now. Well, this channel is working great. As you can see, they have uploaded videos frequently, not daily. So when you upload on daily basis, you can achieve much more than this. Well, if you are enjoying this video, then make sure you drop a like here on this video and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done yet. Let's jump to the another brilliant example channel, and it states, OMG, look what I found. Another wonderful channel doing the exact same thing. It's called Ranking the World. Here they have also published these same sorts of videos. Let's quickly go through the topics. So there are almost the same things like 10 richest people in the world from 1995 to 2019 and has over 7.6 billion views. Top 15 countries by military spending from 1914 to 2018, and it has over 2.7 million views. Now you must be thinking how we can make the exact videos like these, right? Well, I have read your mind. You have seen these example channels and are really motivated enough to start making videos like these. So here your bonus, what I have promised to show you right now. Here's the online software that actually makes all these videos for you. Here is it, and it's called Flourish.studio. So when you are right on this software, it says beautiful and easy data visualization and storytelling. So I'm gonna show you how easily and simply you can create such ranking videos here super quickly by using this software. Just you have to sign up right from this icon at the top, sign up. Simply click on it. It will show you a simple form like this. Here you have to put in your email, username, and you have to set your password. That's it. By signing up, you will then land on this page where you can see this button that says create new visualization. Just click on this button and then you'll have these tons of options of different charts, bar graphs, and a lot more graph options. If you look back again on any of the example channels, they have followed the simple guideline graph, not any complexes. So you can also find such charts by scrolling a little bit down right here in the bar chart race. Here you have to choose this option right here to create your videos, and when you are on it, it will pop up like this. This software is really amazing as it allows you to edit images, text, and other things. Here are the two options on the top, preview and data. To edit it and make your videos, click here on data, and here you can see a lot of different columns, like you can edit names, regions, images, and a lot more. It's not only about countries, but you can also even edit a video related to anything. Like here I'm gonna add dogs, and I will replace the country's flag image with the dog's image just for an example. In order to edit your videos, go back to preview, and here from the bottom, stop the video when it is paused. See here at the top is China. So yeah, again click on the data, and here look for China right here on number 42. So here I will write dogs. So here I go back to the preview. Instead of China, it's showing dogs. In order to change the image, then go back to the data, and where the dog is written, you can see the URL. We have to change that URL and place a different one. I'll simply go to the pexel.com. As you know, it's a free website from downloading stock images for free. Here you can see a lot of free stock images related to dogs. So download the best one and copy its URL by right clicking on the image and clicking on copy image address, and then paste it here in the bar. While doing so, when you go back to the preview this, you will see instead of China's flag, your pasted image is displayed. So this way you can edit the whole video by adding different data. And if it's about dogs, for example, you can create statistics videos like top 10 dogs breeds, and you can show statistics from, for example, 2000 to 2022, and simply show it changed over the time. Well, if you are concerned about where to collect data like this, so here go to the Google and search for the top 10 breeds over time and add all the information into your videos. Or even you can take ideas from the example channels which I have shown you a few minutes back, like Data is Beautiful. When you click on its videos, straight go to the show more, you will see they have simply shown their data source, which is movie ticket reports. So when you write it on Google search bar, you have to click on cinema tickets right here, and then you will be right on this page, from which you can take all the data and simply put it in flourish.studio to generate your videos. Many people still don't know where to get the free music for such videos, so it's not a big deal, and simply go to the Google and search for YouTube audio library. Here you have tons of free music which you can use for your videos. So for free music, download the one which you find suitable. At last, download a free screen recorder called OBS. It's completely free. Just download it and record your screen while playing the statistics. That's all for today. I hope you like it. If yes, then make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. We will be back with more. Until then, stay tuned.